We have the straight lines. In the straight lines, we have coordinate system. How we have the coordinate system? First, shall we see that? So first here we have rectangular coordinate system. Heading is rectangular coordinate system. In this, what we will take and what we will do? First we see here. Let x dash ox and y dash oy be two straight lines. Who is that? So x dash ox and y dash oy are the straight lines. Means here we have y and this is o. So y o y dash x o x dash. This is one straight line and this is another straight line. Let x dash ox and y dash oy be two straight lines at right angles to each other in the plane of the paper. So means right angles, this is one angle, this is angle, this is angle. Right angles means we have like this angles. So right angles means each should contain 90 degrees. This is 90 degrees, this is 90 degrees, this is also 90 degrees, this is also 90 degrees. Means total is 360 degrees. So each should contain right angles. Means each should contain 90 degrees. And these two are straight lines. And these lines x dash ox and y dash oy are called the x-axis and y-axis. X dash ox. This line is called a x-axis. And y dash. This is called a y-axis. So these are together are called the coordinates. Means together means these are made perpendicular. Perpendicular means opposite side. If one is made in horizontal line and another made in vertical line, that is called perpendicular. Those are made at which point? This point at O. Those are made at one point and this is the point O. This we can say it as origin. So that is origin. Means together are called the axis of coordinates or axis. So in small way we can say it as axis, or we can say it as in general form coordinate axis or axis of coordinates. The point of intersection of two axes is called the origin. Means this is x-axis and this is y-axis. These two are at meet means intersect. Means these two are intersect at which point? O. That is called the origin. And it is denoted by the letter is O. And this letter we are denoted by it as O. So total what we are taken? Two straight lines. One is xy x dash and another one is y o y dash. Xy x dash straight line is called x-axis and y o y dash is called y-axis. These two meet at one point. That is, meet means intersect. Both are intersecting at one point. That is called the origin and it is denoted by O. The total history is this. We are taken two straight lines. One is xy x dash and another one is y o y dash. Here x o x dash or x dash o x is x-axis and y o y dash is called y-axis. These two axes meet at one point. That point is called a origin. That is we denoted it as O. And next what is given? Let P be any point in the plane. So here I am taking the point is P. These all are planes. So in this plane I am taking one point, that is P. So draw PL perpendicular to x-axis. X-axis is perpendicular means we have to draw an opposite side. Here we have the P point. Suppose we have like this. Here I am taking the point is P. From this point, perpendicular x-axis is this. This is the x-axis. So, I want to draw perpendicular to x-axis means opposite side we have to draw. Means like this. This is called PL line. So, that's why this is P point. This is P point and L I am drawing. L I am taken here. So, that's why here I drawn this. P first I am taking the point P. After that I drawn perpendicular line to x-axis. Perpendicular means in opposite direction we have to draw to x-axis. X-axis is in horizontal line. Horizontal means like this. So we have to draw vertical. So that is called PL. Draw PL perpendicular to x-axis. The lengths of OL is, what are the lengths? OL length is what he is given. OL is made this point to up to L. This distance is called OL. And LP means here L we have and P here. This distance is called LP. So OL and LP are called the coordinates of the point P. What are the points of P? That is called coordinates. First we have to write x coordinate. After that we have to write y coordinate. The length of the x-axis first we have to take on x coordinate and the length of the y-axis is we have to take on y-axis. So length of the x-axis is x. So first we are taking the point is x. Next point is this is parallel to y-axis. Means this is y. So that's why I am taken y. So this is called coordinate of P. So OL is the x coordinate or abscissa A. OL is what we can say it as x coordinate or abscissa A. And LP is called y coordinate. Why? Because LP is called next y coordinate means this length. So y coordinate or we can say it as ordinate. Ordinate means y coordinate, abscissa means x coordinate. Here x coordinate is OL and y coordinate is LP. So the abscissa and the coordinates together are called the coordinates of the point. So here this is abscissa and this is ordinate. If together means this point. This point is called the coordinate of this point. This point is what? P. So means P coordinates we have these 2 points. So abscissa is the length of abscissa is x. The length of the ordinate is y. So that's why P of x comma y. So, and if OL is equal to x and LP is equal to y, that we take in next step. So, LP is equal to y. So, then the coordinates of P are denoted by the symbol x of y. So, first OL length I am taking x and after that LP length I am taking y. Means these 2 coordinates. First point is abscissa we have to take. Next we have to take ordinate. So this is coordinate of which point? P. So that's why P of x comma y. Is it clear or any doubt for anybody?
It's clear, ma'am. Yes, ma'am, it's clear.
Okay. So, next we have to move to signs of coordinate. So here the 2 lines. What are the 2 lines we have here?
x1 ox
X dash ox and
y
y dash oy. The 2 lines, this is x dash ox, y dash.
Ma'am, your sound is not coming up.
Is it clear now?
Yes, ma'am, it's clear.
So the 2 lines x dash ox and y dash oy. Divide the plane into 4 parts. Means x dash ox is like this and y dash is like this. So means these 2 are intersecting at one point. So if these 2 are intersecting at one point, that is origin. So these are dividing into 4 planes. Means 4 parts. This is first part, second part, third part, fourth part. So are called quadrants. So these four parts we can call it as quadrant. So first part is what? Here X, O, Y. So X, O, Y. First part is X, O, Y. And second part is X dash, O, Y or Y, O, X dash. Y, O, X dash. This is second part. And third part is X dash, O, Y dash. X dash, O, Y dash. And fourth part is what? Y dash, O, X. So are respectively the first, second, third and fourth quadrants. Means these two planes, means these two axes are dividing the plane into 4 parts. That is first part, second part, third part, fourth part. Instead of parts, we are dividing it into quadrants. Means first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. First quadrant means X, O, Y. Second quadrant means Y, O, X dash. And third quadrant means X dash, O, Y dash. And fourth quadrant means Y dash, O, X. So these are the 4 quadrants. So it is a convention to take lengths measured in the direction of OX and OY. So means OX means this, OY means this. So this is positive direction. And next OY is positive and OX dash is negative direction. OX dash is negative, OY dash is also negative. Like that we have to take positive and negative direction. So that is I am given here. It is a convention to take the lengths measured in the direction of OX and OY as positive and those measured in the opposite directions of OX dash and OY dash are negative. Means where we have dash, so where we have dash, that means X dash, OX dash. Means this is the negative coordinates. OY dash means this is also negative quadrant. And what is given? OX. Here we have OX. This is positive direction. And OY. This is also a positive direction. So now how the quadrants are divided positive and negative directions. So for that OX is positive. Means X coordinate. First we have to take positive direction. Next OY. Means this is also positive. So second means positive. First we have to take X coordinate as well as Y coordinate. OX is positive, so place. OY is also positive, so place. So next, what I have OX dash and OY dash as negative. Means O here, X dash is here. This is negative direction. This is X coordinate. So first we have to write X coordinate. That's why it is minus. Next to OY. OY means positive. So positive means Y coordinate. Y coordinate is plus. So next OX dash. OX dash means OX dash is negative. So that's why X coordinate is negative. So minus, comma, OY dash. OY dash means it is also a negative. So that's why Y coordinate is also negative. So that's why we get both third quadrant in minus and minus. So next move to fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, first we have to take OX, means X quadrant. In X quadrant, OX is positive. So first X quadrant we have to take. So that's why it is plus, comma. Next OY dash. OY dash means this is, OY dash means we have to take negative. So that's why Y coordinate is negative. So that's why we get the signs. First quadrant is plus plus, second quadrant is minus plus, and third quadrant is minus minus, fourth quadrant is plus minus. So any doubt on this for anybody?
No doubt. No, ma'am. It's clear.
No, ma'am, it's clear.
So shall I move to next?
Okay, madam.
Yes, ma'am.
So when the axis takes at right angles as described above, means this is above we are described it as rectangular Cartesian coordinates. So for that we are taken first quadrant, what is x, what is y. I divided the table here. So first quadrant, x is plus, so I written plus. Next y is also plus, so I written plus. And second quadrant, in second quadrant x means first one is minus and second one is plus. Next x dash y dash, so means this third quadrant. Third quadrant x is what? First minus, so y is also minus. Next fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant is this. So what is the fourth quadrant? X is plus, y is minus. So fourth quadrant x is plus, y is minus. So based on this Cartesian coordinates, so I written this table. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, madam.
So next,
Yes, ma'am.
thus we can determine the position of a point. So how we define the positions? Thus we can determine the position of a point. So how we define these positions? So shall we discuss those? If we know the coordinates with their proper signs, so we know all coordinates, which is plus, which is minus, and which is first quadrant, means first quadrant is plus comma plus. Second quadrant is x is minus, y is plus. Third quadrant is x minus, y minus. In fourth quadrant, x is minus, y is plus. I written this.
Madam, fourth quadrant plus minus, madam.
X plus y minus,
Okay,
ma'am.
okay. Okay. So plus minus. So y,
Quadrant, ma'am.
y dash, x, x dash. So for that, based on that, I am taking here this. So for example, to plot the point minus 3 comma 4. So minus 3 means first we have to take x quadrant. 4 means we have to take y quadrant. When x is minus, y is plus, lies in which quadrant? Second quadrant. So that's why minus 3 comma 4 is lies in second quadrant. So nx, yes, second quadrant, that is minus 3 comma 4. So like that, in x quadrant we have to take the points. Means right hand side 1, 2, 3 like that, and left hand side minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 like that. At this point we have minus 3. So that's why I am taking here the line. And at this point y is 4. Means we have to take on y axis also